Hi everyone! So today I will be sharing with you guys a very interesting feature about Foci, which will be the deep work session. So first off, Foci is a wearable device which helps you to boost your focus while you are at work, studying, or taking notes, or whatever it be. So here I will be showing you guys a quick unboxing and showing you guys what are the materials you will be receiving while you buy a Foci. So this is the Foci device. It is a small thumb-sized device which helps you boost your focus. You are supposed to wear this on your waist, clipping it, and then this helps you boost your focus. So it also comes with a charging cable as well, but I just kept it in the charging area so I couldn't show you guys. So next up, we also have a book named Skill of Deep Focus, in which there's a lot of information for you guys about the foci, how the history of foci and how you can use it, and a lot of other features about foci as well. So here I'm quickly showing you the contents inside the booklet. So there are a bunch of features for this little device which can be a game changer, and here is one of the feature in close, so you can see a lot of details inside the feature. And I really loved reading the book as it had a lot of information about all the features, how to use it, and all those things. Moving on, we also have a waistband along with it just in case you want to use it for comfort. And oh, by the way, here is the charging cable I was referring to you about. This is a portable one to carry, so while you're traveling it will be kind of easy for you to use it, and it won't be really long. And yeah, so now let's move on to the detailed information about how to use the features. So once you open up the app, below you can spot the deep work feature. So all you have to do is you can just click on it and there will be a pomodoro timer feature popping up, and it will also show you the breathing techniques which are used for tracking your breathing patterns. And now below you can also find a focus feedback by a feedback option as well, which will show your focus rate later after your session or once you start your session. And now next up, I'm moving on to the next option, which is the relaxation feedback from your session. And here also comes one of the important part of the session, which is the analytics of your deep work session. So it shows you mental performance, your current tension overload, and also a Cambridge focus framework with lots of info. I zoomed in the video because I thought to show you guys in detail. So my current mental performance is 0 as I haven't started the session yet. And now nextly I will show you guys some more info and my experience while using the device. So while I was in a session, my mental performance rate was around 78%, which is not that bad in my opinion, and my current tension overload was also an average one comparing to the ones I have usually, and so this feels like really better. It also shows you the flow rate of how your session was, your performance, your streak performance, and much more like that. So here is a close-up view of my session streak while I was in my session. Now moving on to the focus bandwidth, which is a time plot of your flow index. You can see how at each time point your traction towards the flow, so which means the wider it is, the better. And it can also see where your peak performance has happened while you were in your session. And the flow is a balanced state of tense and relaxation, as you can see towards up and down. So as a task is at an appropriate challenge level. So if the tilting is upwards, it means it's too relaxed, and if it's tilting downwards, it's too tense. Now moving on to the deep focus timing, mine you can see that out of 25 minutes of my pomodoro session, I could focus for around 40 minutes of deep work session, which is really good, but also not that great at the same point. This is also the final productivity report of my session, which also has my name, the date, time, and all that info. Now here is a quick demonstration of the time, or like the distraction alerts. So during the time between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I was actually in a very calm mode, and after 8 p.m. I was really in focus, which shows that the starting of the session I was not that focused to do everything. But by the end of the session, my timing has been like, you can see that I could focus really well during the end of the session. So which means that you can see the proper information about all how it works like. Now I will be showing you guys a quick walkthrough on Foci's website, which also has a lot of information about the deep work and all the other features. Now here you can see all the distraction alerts, and you can see fatigue, tense, distracted, calm, focus, etc. So during my last session, you couldn't see any tense, fatigue sort of thing, so which means that I was not too tensed while in the session. So here is a quick demonstration of all the alerts that we'll be having. So once you're in fatigue, there will be 5 short vibrations, so you can understand that you are in a form of fatigue. And for stress alert, there are 4 short vibrations. For focus slip, there are 3 short vibrations, and much more. So here they have really given a very interesting example about how you can use it and how it works like. So here, as you can see, the mental performance rate 62 and so on. I said before, the mental performance score, when it's higher, it's the better, and the tension overload, so it shows your physiological state. You can try to keep it low in the blue region, because when it comes like around orange or red, it means you're super tensed. Now here will be a quick comparison about 2 sessions, in which one session is like super focused and the other session is not that focused. You can see the flow rate is around 82%, and the other one is really low, around 9%. It can also show you the 96 mental performance rate and a lot of things like that. So just like I told you guys before, there are a lot of information on the website just in case you wanted to go quickly through everything. Concluding, I would like to recap all the things we have gone through. So there are 2 timer ways to set up: the pomodoro timer and the flexible timer, which is a stopwatch mode. And there are a lot of setting your distraction alerts. You can also see your productivity report, emotion streaks, flow index, your mental state indicator, overall performance, focus bandwidth, and all the information. I hope you find